ప్రగతి మాట్లాడతారు ఇప్పుడు.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మీ ఇక్కడ రావడానికి చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను. I had written a little something for Rashmika Garu, but since she's not here, so I'm going to keep it to myself and wait till I say it to her. నేను లాస్ట్ టైం ప్రామిస్ చేశాను కి నెక్స్ట్ ప్రీ రిలీజ్ ఈవెంట్లో నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతాను. సో ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేస్తాను ఇవాళ మాట్లాడడానికి. గమ్ గమ్ గణేష చాలా స్పెషల్ మూవీ నాకు. అండ్ ఈ ఫిల్మ్ చాలా హోల్సమ్, హార్ట్ వార్మింగ్, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఫిల్మ్ ఉంది. More than that, I feel because there's an essence of Ganesh Chaturthi, it just brings a beautiful sweetness to the film. So I think me andarki nachitundi. And before anything else, I'm a huge Sid Sriram sir fan. So when I had just started listening to Telugu music, I remember I used to add those songs to my playlist. And I eventually realized they were all Sid Sriram sir songs, from Mate Vinaduga to Geeta Govindam songs. And then Brindavani Way happened, and I was like, నేను చాలా లక్కీగా బకెట్ లిస్ట్లో టిక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో సార్, మీ మ్యూజిక్ నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ రియలీ హ్యాపీ దట్ I have a song from you. థ్యాంక్ యూ చేతన్ గారు, మీకోసం మ్యూజిక్. I think this is the first song that I actually picked up, the music, it was so good. Uday garu, nenu chala grateful unnanu for giving me Neelaveni and seeing Neelaveni in me. It just means so much to be in this chaotic world of Ganesh. I had a very good experience working with you. Aditya Garu is lovely working with you. The entire cast and crew, it has been a wonderful experience and so much laughter on set. Emu Anand Gurunchi Cheppali ante, he's been a very cordial and supportive co-actor. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my family for the ultimate strength that I gained from them. My friend who tried to help me with the Telugu in my speech today. It's been great being a part of Gum Gum Ganesha with you. I wish we had scenes together. It would have been so much fun. And I really look forward to more such nice experiences. Thank you.